All right. To the right. I'm gonna kick these off.
Yep, that's fine.
To the left. Back middle.
How about y'all? Staying busy?
Staying busy. One day at a time. Getting ready for the new office.
How's that going?
I'll let you know when it starts. We're just waiting for the landlords, for them to get the inspection done, so that way we can pass it over to us to get rocking on our build out.
Yeah.
Floor back in control.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Free stuff.
Let's do this. Take a deep breath. All the way out. So you're winning some soccer games, soccer tournaments.
Yeah.
It's exciting.
Have a month off and then right back to it, I guess.
You guys travel a lot for that?
Just local.
I got you.
Yeah, just around Tampa. We haven't moved up to the big travel fleet yet.
What does that look like once you get there?
It's a lot more towns.
More Florida cities and...
Yeah, primarily West Coast, but yeah. Practice 3-4 nights a week. 10 months season.
Holy smokes, bro.
Yeah,
You might as well start a full-time job coaching.
no doubt.
You get paid for that?
No. No. Kids
What?
don't even get it for free. You still have to pay for it.
Oh yeah,